How to change your debit card on Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video, I will show you how you can change your debit card on Cash App, so you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, we're not talking about adding a debit card because we've already discussed that in our other video. In this video, we're only going to talk about how we can replace the current debit card that you have added with a new debit card that you might want to add. So it is very simple to do that. All you have to do is just go ahead and launch the Cash App on your device. Once you launch the Cash App, you want to make sure to come to this little dollar tab over here from the bottom left. Once you come to the dollar tab, depending upon how the Cash App is being updated, you'll find the option that says linked accounts right over here. So you just want to make sure to tap on linked accounts, and as you do that, here you'll be able to see all of the debit card as well as the credit card as well as also the bank accounts that you've added. In order to change our debit card, just tap on the debit card button over here, and as you do that, at the bottom you'll find remove, replace or cancel. So since we're trying to change it, we just choose the option that says replace debit card over here. Once we tap on replace debit card, you'll see this kind of option that says add a bank using a debit card. Now you can simply enter the new debit card number that you might want to add, enter the CVC, the zip code and anything else that this thing requires, and that's all it takes to change your debit card on Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.